The APAARI workshops and exchanges were truly transformative. They gave us the space to share challenges, learn from other countries, and benchmark our progress. Today, the Philippines is among the region's leader in e-fighting, exchanging certificates with 27 countries through the IPPC e-fighting hub, connecting through the ASEAN single window and EU traces, and piloting tests with several partner countries. These milestones reflect years of not just steady work, but also the value of collaboration. Beyond the system and technical improvements, what truly stood out was how these engagements strengthened our institutional commitment. The workshops reinforced the Bureau of Plant Industry's determination to fully implement and continuously enhance the e-FITO system. At the end of the day, e-FITO is not just about digital certificates. It's about trust, efficiency, and modernizing how we facilitate safe trade. The STDF PG 755 project has been a true game changer for our e-FITO transformation. It didn't just support the transition, it accelerated it. Through hands-on workshops, technical assistance, and regional knowledge exchanges, we strengthened both our system and our people. We integrated seamlessly with the IPPC e-FITO hub, expanded interoperability through the ASEAN single window and EU traces, and are now confidently piloting tests with partner countries like Argentina, Japan, and Korea. Beyond technology, the project deepened our understanding of data standards, validation, and risk management, leading to faster processing, improved efficiency, and full transparency. Most importantly, the e-FITO is no longer just a project. It is a fully embedded, trusted system, driving efficiency, building confidence, and positioning the Philippines as a regional leader in modern phytosanitary certification.